I have been needing some sheet pans for an embarrassingly long time, so I was so excited when I was sent these cookie pans. This is a 3-pack, and I just think there's so many great features with this. First of all, these are 14 5/8 by 11, so they're nice and big. You're gonna be able to fit plenty of cookies or vegetables or whatever you may be cooking on these pans. They're made with carbon steel, which is awesome, so it helps the heat distribute more evenly across the pan. So whether you have a cookie here or you have a cookie here, it's going to help cook them the same across the board. It also has non-stick on it, which is great, so you can just lift whatever you're cooking right off. I love these heat-safe silicone handles. For me, I think that's such a great bonus instead of having to deal with so many heat pads all over the place, that you can help use these to move around as needed. My favorite feature is as always is that it's dishwasher safe, so you're gonna have a really easy cleanup with these. I think these are just going to help make my life a lot easier across the board. I think they look great, they feel great, they feel nice and high quality. So if you are in the market for some new cooking pans, you should for sure check these out.